Hello, friends, welcome to our video. In this video, we tell about how to grow honeydew melons in a bag of soil and how to grow honeydew melons in a garden. Honeydew melons are a delicious and refreshing summer fruit that can be grown in your garden or on your balcony and grown in a bag of soil. Growing honeydew melons requires proper planning, preparation, and care. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to grow honeydew melons successfully. It provides a sweet summer treat, but in a bag of soil, but growing requires special consideration for the long vines. You can grow it in the bag of soil if you provide the necessary support to train the vines vertically. Well-anchored trellises, such as those attached to a wall or fence, support the weight of the developing melons. Varieties of honeydew melons. Growing honeydew has been challenging for the home gardener and commercial farmer due to its propensity to downy and powdery mildew and attractiveness to a variety of insects. Some varieties, such as fluorides, Morgan, Erlidew, and Tamdew, are resistant to most fungal diseases. It has many benefits. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the health benefits of honeydew melons. They are an excellent source of vitamin C. They're very high in vitamin C. They're also a very good source of potassium. Vitamin C is important for a variety of reasons. It's known as an antioxidant, so it has that potential to be part of your arsenal in the prevention of cancer. First, take a basket, then take some bags and fill them with soil, and one by one fill them all with soil. Then put this honeydew melon seed in it and add natural compost soil on top of the seed, and then pour water over it. Keep pouring water over it for some time so that the soil becomes wet and put it. This is how your plants start growing. You guys can see that we have grown our plants using this method. Then take some bags and staple them well and make holes in them. After making holes in them, keep them open. Then fill these bags with soil. Do not fill these bags completely. Leave enough space for us to grow plants in them. Make a hole in the middle of the soil and take out the grown plant from the small bag and plant it in the big bag. Grow these plants one by one in these bags, and after doing this, put eggshells on these plants. Water these plants after laying the eggshells. After 15 days, it is very important to fertilize it. Fertilizer is very important for their growth. Mix the compost well. After mixing the fertilizer and adding it to the plant, fertilizer has many benefits. It is very useful for plant growth after applying the fertilizer and watering it. Water is very important for every living being, be it human, animal, or plant. If we do not water our plants, they will not bear fruit. Even if they bear fruit, they will not be good. After 20 days, cut off the lower shoots of the plants. This helps our plant to grow well and of good quality. Take a thin rope and tie one end of the rope to a high place, and tie the plant to the other end to tie all plants in the same way. After doing this, water them and water all the plants at once. I hope you guys have a good understanding of the steps involved in growing melons. After 30 days, you will be noticed that your honeydew plants have grown and flowered. Then cut off the lower branches and water them. After 40 days, then feed on them. Fertilize them all one by one. Water them after fertilizing. You will be noticed your plants have started to fruit. When the fruits begin to grow, take the fiber string and make a trap out of them and tie it with a rope. Melons are heavy, so with the help of this trap, we hang these melons so that they do not harm the plants and give them water. Water is very beneficial for them. After 60 days, your melons have started to turn yellow. Harvest melons carefully. Harvest the yellow melons. Do not harvest the green melons because green melons are not ready. When the melons turn into yellow, it is ready. And now we can eat the tasty melons. But sometimes it has a bitter flavor. Bitter flavor can be caused by several factors, including hot and dry temperatures, overwatering, and poor soil fertilizer. Now I'm talking about how to grow honeydew melon in a garden or balcony. Choosing a location. Honeydew melons require plenty of sunlight to grow, so it is important to choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. They also need well-draining soil and protection from strong winds. If you are planting in a garden, choose a spot that has well-draining soil and is sheltered from strong winds. If you are growing honeydew melons on a balcony or in a container, make sure that the container is large enough to accommodate the plant's root system and provides adequate drainage. Soil preparation. Honeydew melons thrive in rich, well-draining soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.5. If you are planting in a garden, prepare the soil by tilling it to a depth of 8 to 10 inches and adding organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure. If you are growing in a container, choose a high-quality potting mix that is specifically formulated for vegetables and fruits. Planting. Honeydew melons are usually grown from seeds, although you can also start with transplants. If you are planting from seeds, sow the seeds directly into the soil in the spring after the danger of frost has passed. Make sure to space the seeds about 1 inch apart and 1/2 inch deep in rows that are 6 feet apart. Cover the seeds with soil, water them gently, and keep the soil moist until the seeds germinate, which usually takes about 7 to 10 days. If you are using transplants, plant them in the soil at the same depth they were growing in their original container and space them 2 to 3 feet apart in rows that are 6 feet apart. Water the transplants thoroughly after planting and keep the soil moist until they are established. Watering. Honeydew melons require consistent moisture to grow, but they are susceptible to root rot if they are overwatered. Water the plants deeply once a week, making sure to soak the soil to a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Water more often during periods of high heat or drought, but avoid getting the foliage wet as this can lead to fungal diseases. Fertilizing. Honeydew melons require regular fertilization to produce healthy fruit. Before planting, add a balanced fertilizer to the soil to provide essential nutrients. Once the plants have started to grow, side dress them with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, such as blood meal or fish emulsion, every 4 to 6 weeks. Avoid over-fertilizing as this can lead to excess foliage growth at the expense of fruit production. Pollination. Honeydew melons require pollination to produce fruit. Bees and other pollinators are attracted to the large, fragrant flowers of honeydew melon plants. If you do not have many bees in your area, you can hand-pollinate the flowers by using a small paintbrush or cotton swab to transfer pollen from the male flowers to the female flowers. Pest and disease control. Honeydew melon plants are susceptible to several pests and diseases, including aphids, spider mites, powdery mildew, and bacterial wilt. To prevent these problems, monitor the plants regularly. If you want to know how to grow pumpkins at home, please watch our previous videos on our channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Happy growing!